The Celestial Weaver and the Tapestry of Eternity. Once upon a time, in a realm suspended between the heavens and earth, there existed a mystical land known as Aetheria. Aetheria was no ordinary land. It was a place where the threads of fate, time, and destiny were woven into a grand celestial tapestry that dictated the lives of all beings. This divine work was entrusted to a single entity, Anaya, the Celestial Weaver. Anaya, with her flowing silver hair and radiant golden eyes, worked tirelessly in her ethereal loom room, high above the clouds. Each thread she wove represented a soul's journey, its joys, sorrows, and lessons. The tapestry shimmered with colors unimaginable, shifting like liquid light and pulsating with the stories of billions. For millennia, Anaya's work had been flawless, but one day, she noticed something unsettling, a dark thread weaving itself into the tapestry. This thread was different, coarse and resistant, threatening to unravel the harmonious pattern she had crafted. Puzzled and alarmed, Anaya decided to leave her celestial abode to seek the source of this anomaly. The descent to Mortalis. Anaya descended into Mortalis, the realm of humanity, for the first time. The world was breathtaking. Vast oceans mirrored the sky, verdant forests whispered with ancient wisdom, and bustling cities pulsed with life. Yet amidst this beauty, she sensed discord. The dark thread, it seemed, was connected to the actions of mortals, who were increasingly consumed by greed, fear, and division. Anaya disguised herself as a wandering healer, a humble figure in a cloak of stardust, and began her journey. She traveled through villages and cities, observing humanity's struggles and triumphs. The broken threads. In a quiet village, she met a boy named Lien, who had lost his family to a great storm. His thread shimmered faintly, tangled and weak. Anaya shared stories with him and taught him to plant seeds of hope in his heart. Slowly, Lien's laughter returned and his thread grew vibrant again. In the capital city, Anaya encountered a wealthy merchant, Darian, whose thread was dull with selfishness. She challenged him to look beyond his riches and help the struggling artisans in his town. Inspired by her words, Darian began to use his wealth to uplift others, and his thread brightened, intertwining with countless lives. The eternal choice. As Anaya worked to restore balance, she realized that the dark thread was not an external force. It was the manifestation of human despair and disconnection. The tapestry was not unraveling because of one thread, but because the threads were failing to connect, leaving gaps in the fabric of existence. To address this, Anaya crafted a plan. She called upon the leaders, dreamers, and healers of Mortalis to gather at the sacred meadow, where a portal to the celestial realm was said to exist. Here, under the glow of 1,000 stars, Anaya revealed her true form and shared the truth about the tapestry. "You are the weavers of your destiny," she said, her voice resonating like a song. "Each thread has value, but only when intertwined with others does it gain strength. Reconnect, and the darkness will vanish." The mortals pledged to work together, bridging gaps between communities, embracing compassion, and honoring their shared existence. The tapestry restored. With the mortals' efforts, the tapestry began to heal. Colors burst forth in dazzling arrays, and the dark thread transformed into a radiant, unifying strand. Anaya returned to her loom, her heart lighter. Yet, she left a gift for Mortalis, a small, golden loom placed in the sacred meadow, where anyone seeking to repair their thread could weave their intentions into the tapestry of eternity. Moral of the story of Anaya and the tapestry reminds us that we are all interconnected. Our actions, no matter how small, have a ripple effect on the world. By choosing love, compassion, and unity, we contribute to a brighter, harmonious future.